Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, and in this series, I'm going to show you how I built a complete operation system in Airtable for a cleaning company. In this video, we're going to focus on the foundation, designing the Airtable database structure that manages clients, cleaning jobs, employees, and payments. So the business requirement for this project was pretty straightforward. A growing cleaning company needed a system to manage their operations without juggling spreadsheets, emails, and schedule apps. They wanted a centralized system that could capture new client bookings, track cleaning jobs and appointment times, assign employees to jobs, manage invoices and payments, store client contracts and documentation. Instead of using multiple disconnected tools, we're going to build a simple but scalable operation system using Airtable as the core database. In later videos, we'll add automations, integrations, and client notifications. But today, we're just focusing on building the database structure correctly because that's the most important step. For this system, we're going to use four main tables. The first table is a client's, which stores customer information. The second table is a jobs or bookings, which tracks each cleaning appointment. The third table is the employees, which keeps track of staff member and their availability. And the fourth table, the invoice and payments, which tracks revenue and payment status. The reason we separate these into different tables is to create relationships between the data, which is one of the most powerful features of Airtable. For example, one client can have many cleaning jobs. Each job is assigned to one employee, and each job can also be tied to an invoice or payment record. By structuring the database this way, we can create a system that is both organized and scalable. If you're using Airtable Omni, you can actually generate a base structure very quickly using AI. You can open Omni and give it a prompt like this. Create a CRM operation system for a cleaning company that manages client jobs, employees, and payments. Omni will generate the tables automatically. This is a great way to quickly prototype a system. However, I always recommend reviewing and adjusting the tables afterward to make sure the structure matches your workflow. Now let's build the tables manually. So you can build a table manually using Build an App on your own. The first table we'll begin to build is clients. Create fields. The table acts as a central directory for all clients. Client name, email. Let's change this to email. Phone. Address. Let's go ahead and delete this. And of course, we're going to keep notes. So that is our first table. Let's go ahead and rename our table to clients and save. The next table we want to do is jobs and bookings. Start from scratch. Jobs, bookings. I'm going to do job ID. I'm going to make this an auto number. We're also going to do date. Notice how Airtable, when you say build a table from scratch, it has these predefined customary columns that they build your table from scratch with as a suggested columns. You could always delete those and put in your own. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm going to do date. And you want to define these columns. So we have date. We're also going to have time. Actually, let's do not, that's a different type of time. So let's do a single line text for time. And delete this data in here. And we're going to do service type. It's another, this would be a single select. And we'll fill this in later. And we're going to do another one, status. And this is going to be another single select. Really, yep. We do not need AI for this field, so I'm just going to click cancel and just delete the field altogether and then create it from scratch. So we need status, and it's a single select. Make status, new table. Field type, single select burst, and then we can name it. And assignee employee. Oh, sorry. Let's go ahead and make this a, let's fill that one in later because we're going to link that record. Okay, so now we have our fields. We have our job ID, and we want to link these two tables together. So let's show how we link these two tables together. Okay, so let's put in a client for play. So test. Let's do client name 1, email xxxx@gmail.com, phone 111-555. We can leave those links for now. So what we want to do now is we want to link the client record to the job table because every client will have a job and a client could have multiple jobs as well. So let's go ahead and link it together. Let's go ahead and put it in there. So we're going to do link another record. So we're going to link the client record to the client's table. And we're going to say, let's just name it client name again. We're not going to bring in any lookup fields for right now. We just need the client name. So we're just going to skip this. And now we have another field just created. So we're going to link it to this one. And now we should have client 1 for job 1. Simple and easy as that, right? So I'm going to go in and create the other tables, and then we'll come back and take a look. The key to building a strong Airtable is separating your data into logical tables and linking them together. Instead of duplicating data across spreadsheets, Airtable lets us create relationships between records. That means client connects to jobs, jobs connects to employees, jobs connect to payments. This creates a much cleaner operational system. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate this system so new bookings from the website automatically create clients and jobs in Airtable. We'll also set up automatic employee assignment and client confirmation emails. If you enjoy tutorials on Airtable automation and building operation system, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.